In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an email campaign, create emails and design the email templates, import our existing email list in a CSV file and subscribe the email list to our email campaign so that they can receive our emails automatically. So hello everyone, I'm Ajay Kumar from FunnelAnalysts. Let's get started. So to create your email campaign, just open your system.io dashboard, then click emails and then click campaigns. Here you can see I have already created 2 campaigns. So I will just create a new campaign. So I'll just click create. And I will just write down here the campaign name. So I'll just copy the campaign name from here. Then I will just paste the campaign name over here. Now from here I will choose the sender email address and then you can make the descriptions blank. And if you want, then you can write the descriptions as well. Now I'll just click save and our new campaign has been created. Now what we need to do, we just need to create emails into these campaigns. So for creating emails into this campaign, just click the campaign and here in this campaign, we need to create these 5 email sequences and our existing email subscribers will receive each emails each day. So to create a new email, just click create and here you just need to write your email subject, email sender name and sender email address. Now if you didn't verify your email address and custom domain, then you are not going to send email. So you first have to connect your custom domain and verify your business emails so that you can create email campaigns and send automated emails. So from here I will just copy the email subject and then I will just paste the email subject over here. Now from here choose the sender name and choose the sender email address. Now from here I will choose visual editor because we are going to design our custom email templates. So I will choose visual editor and I will choose the first template. Then click save. So now the template is going to be look like this, but we are going to make it something look like this. So I will just click no and our templates, our email templates is going to be look like this. It's very simple and minimal. So I will just come over here and I will just delete everything from here. Okay. Now first of all click the settings. From here I will just make the background color into this color. So I just copy the code. So this is our background color code. So I'll just click here and I will just paste the background color code. And then I will just click the image. So first of all from here I will just click the image and remove the image background color. And from here I will just now change our logo. So I'll click here and click upload. And from here I will just come to this page and here I will just import this logo. Okay, so the logo is in PNG format in a white color. That's why we can see the logo. So I'll just click here and make the background color into this color. So I'll just copy the color code and click over here and I will just make the background color into this color. Now I'll just click the logo and make the logo size this much. Let's make it 110 and now just click here. So we can add some padding. So we'll just add some padding. Okay, click here more options so that we can add padding from the top and bottom. So from the top I will add 30 pixel and from the bottom I will add 30 pixel. So our header section is going to be look like this. Okay, it's look like the similar. So let me click over here. So yes, here we have used 30% on the top and 30% from the bottom. That's looking good. Now we have to add this text. So for that just click here and add a section. Just click the sections and drag over here. Then it will add the sections over here. Now on these sections we need to add our text. So I'll just drag the text element over here and I will just come over here and from here we will just copy our email content. So I'll just copy this part. Okay, first of all let's copy everything and then I will just come over here. Then just press Ctrl A and press Ctrl V and then I will just make the alignment into left. Now here what we need to do. So first of all this is the first part. Okay, I want to make it into 2-3 steps like this. Then we are going to use this image, then this text and then this image, then the button, then text and this, then text, then image and then the button and then this footer text. So here first of all paste all the text and first of all from here we need to choose a replacement. So dear doctor, just remove this part and click here choose a replacement so that we can import the first name and then we will just make it bold and then we will have this part. Okay, now I will just cut this part and now let's add an image over here. So for adding an image just click here or drag the image element over here. Now here we just need to add our image. So I will just click over here and I will just upload this image, insert. and it's gonna be look like this. Now what we need to do, we just need to duplicate this text. Okay, just duplicate here and then click here and click here, then it will come to the bottom. Then press Ctrl A and I will just paste our text. So all the text becomes bold, so I will just press Ctrl A and I will just click here, then all the text will be normal. Now here I will just make a space like this. Okay, let me see, practice, then vitality, okay, then guide, and then cut this part, and we will just duplicate this image and come over here and click here, then the image will be on the bottom. So I'll just click the image, I will click over here and I will just choose our this image, then it's gonna be look like this. Now what we need to do, we just need to add our last text. Okay, just duplicate this one. Now I will just click over here and I will click here and it will come to this part. Now I will just press Ctrl A and Ctrl V, and now here this is our button text, so I'll just cut the button text and I will just make this part into bold, just then it's gonna be look like this. Now above this we need to add our button, so I'll just click over here and I will just click button, then the button is gonna be look like this. Now click the button and I will just paste the button text, so I'll add the button text over here, and now we are going to make this button into look like this. So for making it, just click over here, I will see the properties. So here we use font size is 14 pixel and we use some padding 15 pixel from the top and bottom and 60 pixel from the right and left. So we will do the same thing. So click over here, make the font size into 16 pixel, and from the padding just click here more options, from the top and bottom we make it 15 pixel, and from the right and left, okay, make it 60, and here click over here and then just click here and click center, and from the margin sections add 20 pixel margin from the top, then it's gonna be looks much better. And now we need to add some border radius, so I will just make the border radius into 4 pixel. Okay, 4 is fine. And now I will just change the color into this color, or we can use our this color, this background color. So I'll just copy the code, I will just come over here and click the button and background color, and I will just paste the color code over here, then it's gonna be look like this. So this is gonna be our email templates, so it looks much clean and professional. Now let's see how it's gonna be look like on the mobile device. So for seeing it, just click here. So on the mobile devices it's gonna be look like this. So I will just click over here and I will just make the font size, okay, first of all let's change our font. So I want to click here and I want to make the font into Arial for all of the fonts, Arial, then click over here and make the font into Arial, and for the button text I'm going to make the font into bold. Now click here and choose the font into Arial, and now it's gonna be look like this. And now if you increase the line height of this text, just click here and click the fonts, just okay, this is the font size, so we will make it 20, and now click here, click all the text and make the font size into 16 pixel, or okay, what we can do, click here, make the font size into 16 pixel, or we can make it okay, 20 is fine. Just click here, select all the text, from here make it 16 pixel, click here, make the font size into 16 pixel, and we will do the same thing also here, make the font size into 16 pixel. Okay, so what it will does, it will just make the font size a little bit smaller and add some gaps on the on every single sentence, so it's gonna be looks much better. Now click here to see it on the mobile devices, and see on the mobile devices it's gonna be look like this. Now just we need to decrease the size of this button, let's make it this much, okay, or we can make it 15 pixel, but on the padding for the left and right side make it 40 by 40. Yes, just make the padding 40 pixel from the left and right side, then it's gonna be look like this on the mobile devices. So it's fully responsive and fully looking so much professional, and it's gonna be look like this on our desktop devices. So our email template is fully ready. Now click here, save changes. Now what we need to do, we need to add links to this button. So I'll just come over here, view this funnel, and I will just copy this link, and when someone click the button, they will just redirect to that page. So I will just paste the URL over here and it's done. Now what we need to do, we will do one more thing. When someone click the image, they should redirect to the same URL. Then I will just click save changes. Okay, now click exit and click email campaigns. And see, we have successfully created our first email. The email is still on deactivate mode, so we will activate these emails after all the emails are ready. So this is our first email is done. Now click here. Okay, so first of all, let's create other emails. So I'll just come over here. I will just click create. Okay, don't click create. Now I just need to duplicate this one. Just duplicate this one. Then we can just easily replace all the content. Now click here. And I will just copy our second email content. So the second email subject is this. So I will just okay, first do everything from the first. Okay, so this is our second email. So write the email subject over here, click save draft. Now click here, and now we will just copy the email. Let's copy the first part. Now we need to add our button over here. So what we will do, I will just duplicate this button and click here and click here. Then again click here, then again click here, then the button will become over here. Let's make the button below this. So I will just copy the button text and I will just paste the button text over here. And for the link, I will just copy the link and I will paste the link over here. Now I will just copy this part, the second text, then I will press Ctrl A and Ctrl V, and then we need to just add our button again. Now I will just copy this part and I will just click here and I will just replace the text. And our second email is also done. Now I'll just click here save changes and click exit. Now click save draft. Now come over here. So we have successfully created our second email also. So I have need 5 emails. So I've created 5 mails. Now we need to activate those mails. So first of all, this is our first mail. So let's click here. So for activating these emails, click here and click save and publish. So now you will see a pop-up like this. So let's say someone subscribe our this campaign. So after subscribing this campaign, they will delay 5 minutes. And after delaying 5 minutes, the first email they will receive. And if you want to send emails on exact time, then you can set the time from here. Days of the weeks when this email should be sent. So I don't need this feature. So if you need this feature, just tick mark this one and select your days. Now I will just click activate, and if I click activate, then the email will be activated. So now you can send a test. Just click here save and test and just click confirm, and a test email will be sent into your inbox. So I'm not doing this because it's gonna be work. So now I will just activate other emails as well, like this way. So our first email is activated. Now we need to activate our second email. So just click here and click activate. So now this email will be sent 2 days later. Okay, the first email sent, and after the first email is sent, it will be delayed 2 days, then this email will be sent. Then I will just click activate. So now the same way I will just click here and click our activate our third email. These emails will be sent after the second emails. The second emails will be sent, then it will delay 2 days, then click activate. Now click our fourth email, click activate, and when the third email will be sent, and then it will delay 2 more days, then it will be activated, and then click activate, and the fourth email will be sent, then it will delay 1 days, then the email will be sent, and click activate. So yeah, we have successfully set it up all the email activated. So now when someone subscribe to our campaign, they will receive those mails automatically. Now to test it, click here and let's make the delay activating setting. Let's make the delay 0 minutes. Now click save. Now click here. Now click CRM and click contacts. Now see here I have my Gmail, so I will just select the Gmail. I will click here more actions and I will click subscribe to a campaign. Then from here I will choose this campaign, no cold email campaign, then from starting point. But if you want to send from a specific emails, you can also select from here. So I want to start from the beginning, so I will select this one, start from beginning of campaign, then I will just click subscribe. See, the contacts will be subscribed to this campaign. It might take up a few minutes, so it will take 1 or 2 minutes, then we will receive a mail. So here you can see if we click here campaigns, again click campaigns, new campaign, and here you can see this is our first email, but here we have this email sent 0. But let's reload the page and wait some minutes. See, after waiting a minute, it shows one contact and email sent is showing 0. It will take 1 or 2 minutes, then it will send an emails. Then the emails the user open or not, all the stats will show over here. So now I will just open the Gmail. So I will just open this Gmail and I will click here all mail, and here you can see the Chris Hickson's discover how to help client says this is our first email. So if I click over here, then see it added our first name and it have this beautiful logo, and then this is our complete mail. So yes, the template is looking so good and it's pretty minimal. And we also have removed the system.out affiliate badges because we have the premium plan, so we can remove the affiliate badge from here. So if someone click the button, they will just redirect to our squeeze page. So yes, see the email is successfully coming into our inbox and it's looking perfect. So yes, this way you can easily create your email campaigns and create emails and email templates and connect your contact to this campaign. Now let's see how we can import our existing contact in a CSV file and subscribe to those contacts to our this email campaigns. So for importing the contact, just click here CRM, click on contacts. So I'll just open it in a new tab. Then we need to import our contact. So this is our existing email list spreadsheet. So I will just download this one in a CSV file. So I'll just download, then I will just make it into comma spreadsheet values CSV. And then see our CSV has been downloaded. So I will just rename it by existing list. Then I will just open this page and I will just click here import contacts. Now here select CSV parameter into comma, then from here just click here and select our this existing list CSV, and now here create a tag. So let's create a tag using this campaign name. So what it will done, I will just select this tag, then all the contact will be attached to these tags. So it will help us segment all the contact very easily. Now from here campaign optional. So from here I will just choose this campaigns. It means all the contacts will be automatically added to this campaigns and they will receive those mails automatically. So I will choose the campaigns later. First of all, just click here because we can select from here. Also we can select it from later. So now what we need to do, just click here next and select the first name and email. See, this is our first name parameter and this is our email parameter. Now just click import and all of our existing email list will be imported on this platform. See, here it's takes some time. Then we have total 1219 emails list and it approved. Now just reload the page. All the emails has been imported here, but on these emails, but from the email list we have 340 invalid emails. So if you also have this kind of invalid emails, make sure you delete those emails from here. Then just export it in CSV files, then import it here. Then you will not see this error message. Contacts and click tags. Then see we have total 822 emails. So we have total 822 contacts. Now these contacts will be subscribed to the campaign. So how can we do that? So doing it very easy. So just come over here and tagged. Okay, let me show you. Just click CRM, click contacts. Then from here tag to it, then select a tag. Now click date selected, then it will select this 822 contacts. So now from here just click here more actions. Here you can see more actions, and these all the tags will be selected to our campaign. So we just need to do subscribe to campaign. Then from here select your campaign and choose start from beginning of the campaign. If you want to start from a specific emails, then you can also select that one from here, but I will choose start from beginning of campaign and click save. So before clicking it save, let me make this first one. Okay, I want to add some delays to the first mail, so I will just click over here and I will add 5 minutes delays. Then I will just click save. Okay, now if I click here start from beginning of the campaign, then I will just click subscribe. Then the contact will be subscribed to this campaign. It might take up a few minutes, so it will take some minutes. Then all our existing contacts, these contacts will be subscribed to the campaign and they will receive automated emails like this way. Okay, so that's it for this particular video. Thank you for watching and keep watching our videos.